We're building a house.
We're building a house.
We're building a house.
Okay, here's the property. Pretty much starts where this silver fence is, and that piece of scaffolding. And it goes pretty much to the back of that house. Today was the start of the house build. Hi everybody, it's Latin Mike. We haven't been here in about 3 or 4 days because it's basically been raining the whole time. And we were kind of shocked, but they're actually working on it.
กี่วันแล้วครับพี่เร็วจัง
เร็วประมาณ 5-6 วันแล้วครับ
ใช่ไหมฝนตกก็ทำเหรอ
ก็คนตกถ้าคนยกก็มาทำต่อถ้าคนตก
ไม่รู้ทำใช่ไหม
ใช่
เดี๋ยวเขาก็ถ่ายของแกเนี่ยคือ
And here's a shot from the property line. So we will have plenty of room behind the house and alongside of it. Okay. They laid some cement. And if you notice, and this is an extra we paid for. See that hose? Goes all around the whole inside of the foundation. That's for pest control. There'll be a fitting on the outside of the house, and then the exterminator will hook up to it and spray under the house to kill bugs. A lot of bugs in Thailand. But so far it's looking pretty good. I think they started digging the hole maybe for the septic. I'm not sure. I'm on the side of the house now. This will eventually be torn down and we'll have a wall up here. But yeah, so far, so good. And also today, they installed spray nozzles. Who's this guy, baby?
Should I know him? I think I don't know him, babe.
That's our builder.
Our builder, right? Okay, now I know our builder.
Okay, so what they're going to start doing today is laying these slats on top of the foundation. I found it odd because I'm like, the plumbing's not in. But from what I heard, they're going to remove 1 or 2 of the slats and then crawl inside to do the work. The only thing I can think of is they want to stay in the shade. Our one and only neighbor. But there's a street on the other side of this fence. We're in one of the bedrooms now. This is another bedroom in this area. That's our kitchen. That's our dining room. This will be our living room. And these 2 squares you see here will be 2 bathrooms. The bathroom on the right is going to connect to the master bedroom, which is right there.
Ah, okay.
Somebody's hot. She decided to sit on a sewer pipe.
Really hot. Sorry.
Here's our roof. She's working very hard on the construction site today. Here's some little helpers too.
ไปกินขนมจ้ะ
Now what are they going to do with that money?
buy snack buy milk snack แล้วก็เมื่อวันนั้นที่ส่งว่าจะเอาตังค์อ่ะเขาบอกว่าไม่มีตังค์เขาบอก no have money
It's a lot in Mike. We're out at the build site. 9 o'clock in the morning.
too early I'm not wake up yet
We're both like, we're usually still laying in bed, but
Yeah.
they're coming to lay the foundation. They did some work the past day or two. I'll give you a look. They got the plumbing in for the toilets. They laid down, I don't know what you call it, rebarb. And the truck just showed up. So they're going to lay the foundation of the house today. Our builder, Mr. First, made us get up early this morning. He said we had to be on the job site.
yeah
What do you think?
no good too early
Thank you, First. We're getting a tour of 4 townhomes he's building on the corner here. Our builder is involved in this project also. So what here? Living room?
living room
Kitchen?
no kitchen outside
Kitchen outside. So this is just a room?
bedroom
Bedroom.
ห้องน้อยแท้
ไม่เล็กนะพี่ใหญ่อยู่นะ
บ้าน2 ชั้นเหรอโอ้พากันแมวกับบันได
เหมือนผมเลย
โอ้ไม่เอา
เลิกเลย
ไม่
บ้าน2 ชั้นผมเลิกเลย
ฮะ
กูมาเชื่อกูกับเพื่อนกันไปเชื่อหน่อย
เออไม่เอาขนาดอยู่ที่นู่นนะ14 ชั้นอ่ะ14 ขั้นนะเดินขึ้นนะไม่เอา
So this is another bedroom?
นี่คือเบดรู
มี
ม
ห้องนอนนี่
ใช่
What do you get? A little balcony? No.
อันนี้อะไร
Hey!
เด็กกลัวไม่ชอบ
อ๋อไอ้ You see this
You
view.
see the view. Careful, babe. I know you're scared.
Oh yeah, that is a nice
Want me
view.
to take the view for you? Give me that.
No, I got it. Get in here.
อย่าโกรธอย่าสงสัย
We want you to fall now. So this is a bedroom and then one bathroom?
2 bathroom
Two bathrooms. 2 bedrooms upstairs and 2 bathrooms. What do you think for a townhome? Not bad.
Not bad.
So I would say like that bedroom downstairs could even just be an office. Nice. And what they do here in Thailand is they build a little shanty town and the construction workers actually live here. Some even have their family and kids with them.
มันเป็นเขาเรียกอะไรที 1 ที 2ใช่ปะ
Lots back in her break area waiting for the second load of cement. How's work going today?
It's good.
A little bit of rain though, huh?
Yeah, it's with the rain and I'm watching YouTube, shopping online, waiting for the cement come. That's my job.
Yes, it is.